PrintWorks perforated raffle tickets are the perfect DIY solution for special events and fundraising. In this video, we'll give you some tips on how to create your design using our free template. First, download and save the zip folder to your computer. Be sure to keep the raffle ticket Word template and the numbering file together in the same folder. Next, open the Word document. If you open the template and do not see the cell lines, click anywhere within the table and then go to the Table Layout tab. Choose View Grid Lines to toggle the cell lines on and off. This will help you see the location of the perforation lines so you can be aware of your margins. Now you can customize your ticket for your event. Here's a tip for creating your design. Be sure to give your design some space around the edges so nothing gets cut off by your printer margins. Before starting your design, we have one more important tip. Do not delete the section of the ticket that says Numbers with arrows around it. Doing this will remove the auto numbering function of the template. You can change the size, color, and font. Just do not delete it, unless you don't need the numbering on your ticket. To add an image to your design, go to the Insert tab. Under Pictures, choose Picture from File to browse for and add your image. If your image comes in large, scale it down, making sure it fits within the ticket margins. In the Picture Format tab, go to the Wrap Text and in the drop-down, choose Behind Text. This will allow you to easily place the image anywhere you want. To move text around more easily, again, go to the Insert tab and choose Text Box. Once you draw the text box, you can go to the Shape Format tab to adjust the design and set the text wrapping to Behind Text so it can be easily moved where you want it. Once you have finished the design of your first ticket, you will need to copy it to the remaining tickets. If you are using plain text, you can just select the text you need to copy, then copy and paste it to the remaining tickets. If you are using images and text boxes, click once on each box while holding down the Shift key to select everything at once. Then, copy and paste and move everything to the remaining tickets. Next, do a test print on plain paper. Watch our ticket numbering video to learn how to do a test print with auto numbering. If the test print did not come out right, here are some tips. If some information is getting cut off, this means your design is too close to the edges of the page, so your printer margins are cutting it off. You can check to see if there is a full bleed option on your printer. If not, you may have to manually adjust your design so that it fits within your printer's margins. If your design has shifted and isn't lining up with the perforations, check to see if you had Fit to Page or Scale to Fit Paper Size selected when you printed. This shrinks the file to fit within your printer margins. Be sure to leave this unchecked or change it to actual size instead, so that the file remains the correct size. Now you're ready to print your own raffle and event tickets with PrintWorks. What will you create?